Ever feel like you're carrying something heavy inside, something you can't tell anyone about? A pain you keep locked away hoping it'll just disappear? You're not alone. Today we're talking about the pains we never share, why we hide them, what they do to us, and how we can start to let them go. So, why do we keep our pain to ourselves? It's not because we're weak, it's because we're human. Psychologists call this emotional suppression, a fancy term for pushing feelings down so we don't have to deal with them. In his book, The Body Keeps the Score, Dr. Bessel van der Kolk explains that when we hide our emotions, they don't vanish. Instead, they get stuck in our bodies like unprocessed baggage weighing us down. From a neuroscience perspective, our brain's fear center, the amygdala, kicks into gear when we feel emotional pain. It's like an alarm saying, "This hurts. Avoid it." So, we hide our pain to protect ourselves, maybe from being judged, feeling vulnerable, or just not knowing how to express it. But here's the thing, hiding pain is like shoving clothes into an overstuffed closet. It might look tidy for a while, but eventually it's going to spill out. Keeping pain inside isn't just hard, it's costly. Neuroscience research, like the work of Dr. Feldman Barrett in How Emotions Are Made, shows that bottling up emotions messes with the prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain that helps you think clearly and stay calm. Over time, this can lead to stress, anxiety, or even physical stuff like headaches, tight shoulders, or feeling exhausted all the time. In psychology, there's a term called emotional labor, the energy it takes to pretend everything's fine when it's not. Susan David, in her book, Emotional Agility, compares this to carrying a heavy backpack you never put down. You might get used to the weight, but it's still draining you. Hiding pain disconnects you from yourself, making it harder to feel joy, connect with others, or even know what you need. Here's the good news, your brain is built to heal. Neuroscience shows that sharing your pain, whether through talking, writing, or even drawing, lights up the ventral striatum, your brain's reward center. That's why it feels like a weight lifts when you finally open up. Dr. James Pennebaker's research on expressive writing found that just 10 minutes of writing about your feelings can lower stress hormones like cortisol. It's like giving your pain a safe place to land. Another powerful tool is self-compassion. In her book Self-Compassion, Dr. Kristin Neff explains that treating yourself with kindness, like you'd treat a close friend, calms the amygdala's fear response. It's not about ignoring the pain, it's about saying, "I see you and it's okay to feel this." This rewires your brain to feel safer, making it easier to process what's hurting. Ready to take the first step? Here are 3 simple science-backed ways to start. 1. Write it out. Grab a notebook and spend 10 minutes writing whatever's on your mind. Don't edit, just let it flow. This helps your brain process the pain. 2. Talk to someone safe. Share one piece of what you're feeling with a friend, therapist, or even a pet. It doesn't have to be everything, just a start. 3. Be kind to yourself. When pain creeps up, pause and say, "It's okay to feel this." Treat yourself like you treat someone you love. These steps aren't a cure, but they're like opening a window to let fresh air in. Small changes can make a big difference. The pains we never share don't make us less, they make us human. By understanding why we hide them and taking small steps to open up, we can start to heal.